Namaste, I'm Dr. Suresh. Welcome to the channel Teacher Education Simplified. In this video, I am going to introduce Bachelor of Education B.Ed course of Savitribai Phule Pune University. This is 2-year program, choice-based credit system and annual pattern 2015. I have made two parts of these videos. First is part 1 introducing FY B.Ed and part 2 about second year B.Ed. So let us start with the introduction of this B.Ed course of Savitribai Phule Pune University. First, the features of this B.Ed course. Duration is of 2 years. Admission process for this course has been conducted by Maharashtra government CET. It is the centralized process. Implementation of this current syllabus is since 2015-16. Exam pattern is yearly, it's not semester. Total credits are 80. I'm mentioning credits over here because of the international scenario. If you want to go abroad, this B.Ed degree will be valid because of the credit system that we follow and that is followed in the internationally. I hope there will be no problem with the immigration of the documents of degrees. So there are 80 credits course. Medium of the instruction for the course is Marathi or English, and medium of examination, that is answers, will be again Marathi or English. So B.Ed course in the Savitribai Phule Pune University is available in two mediums, Marathi or English. So let us start with the first year syllabus. This is an overview of the syllabus. To see the detailed syllabus, I appeal you to go through the description of the video and download the PDF file of this B.Ed curriculum from the university site and refer it. So first year B.Ed, there are 7 papers of theory papers and it has 700 marks and 28 credits, practical 6 activities and 300 marks and 12 credits. Total marks for FY B.Ed are 1000 and total credit for FY B.Ed is 40. So let us see what are the core courses. There are 5 compulsory theory papers for FY B.Ed. They are numbered for 101, 102, 1 means first year, 101, 102, 103, 104 and 105. These are 5 compulsory papers for all the students who appeared for first year. First paper, childhood and growing up, it is about psychology. 102, contemporary Indian education, gender and society, it is about the sociological aspects of the education. B.Ed 103 is learning and teaching about the pedagogy, that is the science of teaching, and B.Ed 104 is assessment and evaluation, it is about the educational evaluation. B.Ed 105 is about the ICT in education. So there are 5 compulsory papers for all the students of B.Ed, 4 credits each, and the marks are 80-20. 80 marks for the university paper and 20 marks for the internal activities related to that particular paper. These 5 are compulsory theory papers for each and every candidate of FY B.Ed. There are some optional courses. There are 2 papers, 106 and 107. For these 106 and 107 papers, you need to select any 2 of the following subjects. These are school subjects. These are the subjects in which you want to be a teacher. You want to make your career in these subjects. What are those subjects? Marathi, Hindi, English, Sanskrit, Urdu, History, Geography, General Science, Mathematics, Economics and ICT. These 11 subjects are available. You will have to select 2 subjects. We call it methods. So you will have to select 2 methods out of 11. Now how it should be the combination? I have recommended the combination of the subjects for the art student. Select any one language and select any subject for the social studies. For science students who had done BSc MSc, they can select science, maths and English. Any 2 out of these 2, because some students face difficulty to understand the mathematics, so they do not go for the mathematics. Instead of that, they go for the English. So out of 3 subjects you can select any 2. For the commerce BBA student, they can select English, Geography, Commerce, Maths, Economics, because somewhere you will see English subject is there at the junior level. Geography is also subject for the commerce faculty, and mathematics somewhat related with the accounting. So in that way you can have the combination of 2 subjects. For the IT and engineering student, they can select English, ICT and math, because somewhat they have studied somewhere. So these are the combination recommended. It's not compulsory, it's up to candidate what subject they should select. When you're selecting the topic for selecting the method, you need to understand you should have studied that particular subject somewhere at graduate level or postgraduate level, so you will be eligible to teach that subject in the schools. So your career will depend on the selection of these 2 methods, these 2 subjects. So you should be very careful and discuss with your professor in charge and then select the methods. So for the first year B.Ed evaluation 101 to 107, there are 7 papers. Total marks are 100 for each paper, 80-20 pattern. University paper will be having 80 marks. It is descriptive and offline. Internal 20 marks are calculated from practical related to paper, tutorial assignments and internal prelim exams. So it will be having the combination of these activities, and the final results will be out of 100 by combination of 80 and 20. Learning load given in the syllabus, that is 30 clock hours for per subject. 16 clock hours are given for the classroom interactions, and 14 classroom hours have been assigned for the self studies. And marks per credit 25 marks. As you have seen, each paper is having 4 credit. It means it will having the 100 marks. So in the university you will have these 7 papers for the university exam. Now the further activities, those are coming, those are not having the university papers, not theory paper, those are the activities, or you can say practical part of the syllabus. So practicing for the constructive teaching learning, this is the next section in the syllabus. As I told you, there is no theory papers here onwards. In the practical aspects, these are the lessons for 108, 109 and 10. These 3 activities, 3 heads are related with the lessons, and these lessons are coordinated with your methods. Let us see one by one, 108, 109 and 10. So 108 is a micro teaching. So micro teaching, you will have to conduct 12 lessons of micro teaching. You have 2 methods. It means 6 lessons for each method. It will be conducted in the peer group, that is in the college itself, and duration of each lesson will be 5 minutes. You will have to practice 6 skills out of 10 skills prescribed in the syllabus. These are different 10 skills, and you will have to select any 6 skills out of these 10 skills. The skills are related with with your methods, subjects. Your professor in charge will definitely help you out to select the appropriate skill for the appropriate methods. Main thing is, these are the 5 minutes lessons, and it will be conducted in the peer group in the college itself. Integrated and simulation lessons 108 and B. Again, it's total 8 lessons. 6 lessons will be integrated lessons. Duration of approximate 20 minutes. So micro teaching lessons were having 5 minutes. Now it's slightly increased, and now timing will be 20 minutes lesson. So these lessons, then 2 simulation lessons of 30 minutes, and again it is distributed in the methods, and simulation lesson and integration lessons will be conducted even on the peer group. It means it will be conducted in the college. The content of all the lessons will be from your methods. So remember always, there are 2 methods that you have selected. You will have to conduct the lessons as per the content, chapters, unit from that particular method or subject. Practicing constructive teaching learning. This is the next part of the lessons. Now these are again lessons, some innovative type of lessons apart from the traditional lessons. 1098 technology based lessons. You will have to use the technology in that lessons. There will be 2 lessons, one lesson each for method. Duration will be 30 minutes and it will be even conducted in the classroom in the college. Second type B is team teaching. 2 lessons, 2 methods, one lesson each method. Duration will be 30 minutes and it will be conducted in the peer groups, that is in the college itself. C, lesson using models of teaching. These models of teaching may be a new concept for you. It will be oriented in the course. Total 2 lessons based on the models of teaching, one lesson for each method. Duration will be of 30 minutes and it will be even conducted in the peer group. B.Ed 110, teaching competency 3 and practice lessons. Now these are the lessons from where we are going to school. There are total 6 lessons, 2 methods and 3 lessons each. Duration will be 30 minutes and to be conducted in the school. So these are the practice lessons that will give you the real field experiences to the schools. The units will be given by the school to you. You will have to write the lesson note accordingly. Your guide supervisor will be there from your college itself. He will guide you how to take the lessons, and when you are taking the lessons in the schools, your professor in charge will be there to observe the lessons. So school teachers will not observe lesson. Your professor in charge only observe these lessons of 30 minutes or 35 minutes. It depends on the school timing, school duration. Then next is introduction to internship. Internship will be having 4 weeks and it will be in the school itself. So during these 4 weeks internship, you will not come to the college, you will go to the school only according to the timing of the school. During this internship, you will have to observe 4 lessons of experienced teachers of your method. You will have to develop 4 lessons planned under the guidance of these experienced school teachers. You will have to conduct only 2 lessons in the school classroom. Then you will have to write a report on the co-curricular activities and extracurricular activities those are organized in the schools. Then you will have to write an essay reflecting on the activities in which the student teacher has assisted the school teachers in his or her work. So you will have to participate in the planning of the co-curricular activities in the school, and you will have to write an essay on the basis of your experience and other responsibility given by the school. Though it is written that you will have to conduct only 2 lessons, but there are many lessons, there are many proxy periods given to you. Whenever teachers are absent, you are assigned the class and you will have to go to the classroom and teach the respective subjects. Now this is the real school experience, and definitely it will help you to understand the system, how school works. So these are about the practicing the lessons and the school experiences. Now enhancing the professional capacities. These are some additional professional enhancement. B.Ed 111 and B.Ed 112. Let us see what are these. 2 are credits and 32 are working hours and 50 are marks. Let us see how it is. B.Ed 111A, critical understanding of ICT. It is the practical, it is the base on the Intel Teach to the Future program. It is computer based practical in which you will have to create some PowerPoint presentation, MS Word, and you will have to use different MS Office documents and internet, and you will have to create a project in it. If you want to search more about it, Google it, Intel Teach to the Future pre-service program, you will get the details of it. B.Ed 111B, co-curricular activities and social service. In 111B, there is again one co-curricular activities. There are many activities organized in the college, like day celebrations, and you will have to participate in all and maximum co-curricular activities, and you will have to write a report. You will the marks will be given on the basis of your participation and your report. B.Ed 111B2 is social service. You will have to select any one of the area in which you want to give your social service. You will have to do some activity and write a report on it. Sometimes the colleges only select this any of the area, and they will tell you and they will assist you to organize some activities. Then last part of the syllabus is B.Ed 112, it health and yoga. 2 periods per week will be conducted, and it includes physical exercise, games, special programs on yoga, Surya Namaskar, sports activity, etc. etc. And at the end of the academic year, you will have to write a report on different activities, and there may be some internal exam or some practical exam conducted. On that basis, the marks will be given. So total there are 12 heads in the FY B.Ed. 101 to 107 are compulsory papers, and 108 to 112 related with the lessons and other practical work. How's the evaluation done in FY B.Ed? Remember, 50% is required to pass each and every head of the internal and external examinations. Like 101 to 112, you will have to get minimum 50% in each head. B.Ed 101 to B.Ed 107, internal marks will be 20. And external theory papers will be having 80 marks, and university exam will be having, the result will be calculated out of 100. University exam is generally conducted in the month of April and May. As I told you already, we don't have semester pattern, we do have annual or yearly pattern for the examination. ATKT is given only to the students who gain at least 50% credits in the first year. They will be allowed to go in the second year. The students who got ATKT or failed, they can appear the backlog examination, which are conducted in October-November examination. So final year examination in conducted in April and May. But for the students who failed or got ATKT, they can appear in the examination of October and November. B.Ed 108 to B.Ed 1112 are the internal marks of practical. Those are converted into the grades in the mark sheet. So in the mark sheet, you will not see the marks of the practical. You will see only grade in with this format. So this is all about the FY B.Ed course. I hope you have understood the glimpse of this FY B.Ed syllabus. Still, I would like to request you to download the original syllabus from the Savitribai Phule University website and go thoroughly it. And all the best for it. To know what are the syllabus and what are the elements of the syllabus of second year, just see the part 2 of video in the same channel. Thank you.